Hello and hi to everyone. Today we will discuss about the Polygon who partners with the industry giant Flipkart from India will make price rise to $50. Ethereum Layer 2 scaling protocol Polygon enters partnership with the Walmart associated Indian e-commerce marketplace Flipkart. Polygon's multiple recent partnership has been boosting the price of Matic. Flipkart, one of the India's leading e-commerce marketplaces, has announced a strategic partnership with the Ethereum Layer 2 scaling protocol. Flipkart, which is a 77% owned by US e-commerce giant Walmart. Walmart has a partnership with the VeChain. Kindly remember that. It said in a press release that the partnership will result in the setting up of a blockchain e-commerce center of excellence (COE). The COE will work on research and development of the Web3 and Metaverse commerce use cases in India to accelerate the adoption of Web3, the release noted. Commenting on the partnership, Jainendra Venugopal, Chief Product and the Technology Officer at Flipkart, stated that the partnership with the Polygon is in keeping with the company's core focus on innovation. Innovation is one of the main pillars of the Flipkart, and we have consistently worked towards technology solutions to scale new frontiers and introduce new products and services. He said. He added that with the COE, Flipkart hopes to leverage on the expertise and the technical know-how of the Polygon to onboard more users to commerce in the metaverse. For his part, Sandeep Naliwal, who co-founder of the Polygon, noted that the Polygon sees the blockchain e-commerce center of excellence as an engine for e-commerce to gain traction with the Web3 and the metaverse in years to come. The partnership with the India-originated protocol is not Flipkart's first play at the Web3 technology adoption. Earlier this year, the company announced its innovation wing, Flipkart Labs, with which it has so far ventured into Web3 and Metaverse commerce to explore non-fungible tokens, NFTs, virtual immersive stores, and other blockchain-related use cases. The e-commerce company has also launched an easy-to-use NFT platform called Firedrops, as well as partnered with the EDAO to launch Flipverse. Flipverse is a metaverse launched on Flipkart, therefore Flipverse, same name, just verse is changed because of metaverse. A virtual shopping experience in the metaverse where you can shop virtual shopping on the metaverse that has already been used by the customers during the festive season. Last month there was a big festival in India which is called Diwali. So it was launched and used, which means it has experienced its launch and opening virtual as well as real shopping experience on the Polygon and DAO. Flipkart is only one of the major partnerships that the Polygon has entered into this year. The Polygon ecosystem has also brands including Starbucks, which is a coffee brand, Instagram, which is a messaging platform we all know, and Reddit, which is also a messaging platform we all know, come on board, driving adoption through the roof. Which means that the adoption of Matic is on the roof, rising, increasing, and therefore its price will also follow suit. The ecosystem expansion has seen the Matic price protocol native to trading with less volatility than the other tokens. So what is a Flipkart? Flipkart Private Limited is an Indian e-commerce company headquartered in the Bangalore, which is South Indian in the state of Karnataka, and incorporated in Singapore as a private limited company. So it is a private limited company founded in the October 2007 at Bangalore, and its CEO is Kalyan Krishnamurthy. And Flipverse e-commerce platform Flipkart has launched Flipverse, a metaverse shopping experience for Android users. So we can use it on the Android phones. Flipkart has tied up with several brands for this Web3 shopping experience. Jainendra Venugopal, the Chief Product and Technology Officer at Flipkart, said, "Innovation is one of the main pillars of Flipkart, and we have consistently worked toward technology solution to scale new frontiers and introduce new products and the services. New products are launched every now and then, including services. We are delighted to partner with the Polygon a company that is at the forefront of blockchain innovation nationally and internationally. So this Indian coin Polygon or Matic is known in the worldwide and nationally as well as internationally. So it has also partnered with the Indian e-commerce shopping store which is called Flipkart, which is very famous like Amazon and Walmart. And good to see nations using their own technology, like Russia. Vladimir Putin has told his banks to use Ethereum, so they are transacting money on their own discovery, which is Ethereum. And we all know Ethereum is a very famous coin, number 2 coin. The year has been fruitful for this Walmart owned company, as in October 2022 it launched partnered with EDAO, a media and entertainment decentralized autonomous organization, to bring its customers a virtual shopping experience called Flipverse. Brands including the likes of Puma, which is shoes, Noise, VIP, Nivea Cream, have set up their experience theaters on the platform. eDAO was launched and incubated under Polygon itself. Additionally, it launched Firedrops, a user-friendly NFT platform for users to discover and experience the Web3 element. To the race to get a first movers advantage in the e-commerce has pitted Amazon and Flipkart against each other. So both are famous, so both are fighting for number one spot. For the festive season of 22, Amazon came up with a physical IP, Amazon Meta World, to provide a gamified experience to its user across 5 cities. So competition is good. If one is improving, another should also be improving. Earlier this week, Phantom, a Solana-focused wallet, announced its move to develop a Polygon wallet. In October, the company announced the Polygon ZK EVM public testnet, a zero-knowledge rollup. Polygon is the go-to blockchain for the world's biggest companies entering Web3. Web3 is on which the blockchain and its technology is based, and cryptocurrencies are running on the Web3. Our mission is to bring the next billion users to the Web3. So we are excited to partner with the Flipkart to create the blockchain e-commerce center of excellence, said Sandeep Naliwal, co-founder of Polygon, on the partnership move. Another head of product strategy at Flipkart and head of Flipkart Labs, Naren Ravula, told the partnership brings expertise from the world of e-commerce and the blockchain and lays the foundation for innovation at a protocol, platform and product level for decentralized e-commerce in India, especially through brands, collaboration and initiatives like 3D storefronts, novel NFT drop mechanisms, trustless standards for commerce, on-chain loyalty, and play-to-earn experiences. So this is online Flipkart's website. You can buy anything from a cycle, non-geared cycle, to studio headphones, tricycles, music keyboards, deodorants, perfumes, camera, etc. And online you can book, and in a few days the item will reach in your home. Very famous site. This is Flipkart. Everything is there. Wall decor items, molds, Bajaj hair oils, guitars, etc. So, and also Polygon also working with the Starbucks, Reddit and Meta. New updates can drive Matic price to $5. Polygon has confirmed updates for the blockchain gaming, road safety and DeFi lending risk assessment. The Graph has announced support for Polygon, a partnership that will see Polygon users granted full access to APIs used to power DApps. APIs automated program interferences to power DApps, decentralized application. The Polygon network has announced collaborations with the multiple partners as it continues improving its ecosystem and pushing towards Web3. In a recent briefing, Polygon announced updates for blockchain gaming, road safety and DeFi lending risk assessment. Speaking on the video post, Polygon's senior manager at social media, Nikki, began with the Magic Eden, a leading cross-chain NFT marketplace integrating with Polygon to support the move into the metaverse gaming. The partnership between the Polygon and Magic Eden will initially focus on game developers using launchpads and marketplaces that already support Matic. Magic Eden will provide market and distribution expertise in planning, concept and project positioning, as well as foster strong connections to the Web3 communities. Polygon is already working with the big gaming names like Atari, Animoca Brands, Ubisoft, Sandbox and Decentraland. Polygon is also helping to improve road safety in India via blockchain technology. The International Road Federation, in partnership with the Indian blockchain platform Settlement, is launching a blockchain road safety platform on Polygon. Designed for road users and commuters, the platform allows the Indian public to easily connect with the emerging services and law enforcement agencies. The platform will also provide access to emergency care insurance, audits, and safe driving scores to promote safety on the Indian roads. Furthermore, Polygon's weekly briefing are now introduced a dedicated lending risk assessment team. To effectively do this, the team designed as an agent-based simulator that stress tests the lending ecosystem. The testing protocol also works in a real time to monitor the health of every lending protocol 24 by 7. According to the Polygon stress test revealed that even if all the assets like ETH, BTC and Matic increase their hourly volatility by more than 10 times, the protocol carries less than 0.1% default risk. So this is lending risk assessment, because we all know all lending platforms like Voyager, Celsius, they have BlockFi, all have undergone because they did not risk assessed their risk. They kept lending the money and did not get in return. So they all have failed. Polygon says it has bigger plans for safety in the DeFi and hopes it can rival centralized options. According to the briefing, we believe that with the proper tools and frameworks, DeFi has the opportunity to become more robust than centralized finance in terms of financial stability and resilience. The briefing ends with the updates on Artify, Polygon's blockchain-based Web3 platform for art and NFT investments. Artify has partnered with the British visual artist Saka Zava, one of the top 5 best-selling artists ever. The partnership allows lovers of the art from all over the world to own a piece of art through fractionalization and earn royalties for participating. Polygon and The Graph, decentralized Web3 data indexing platform The Graph, has announced support for Polygon. The partnership will see Polygon users granted full access to APIs used to power dApps. The Graph already has open APIs, subgraphs, built and published by the developers and used for applications such as Decentraland, Synthetic, and Uniswap. Now developers on the Polygon network can find data necessary for dApp efficiency, while node operators can become indexers for the Polygon. New updates add to Starbucks, Meta, and Reddit. Polygon's new updates join a list of partnerships that already includes names like Meta and Starbucks. Last month, Meta announced that it would let users mint NFTs using the Polygon blockchain. In September, coffee chain Starbucks revealed a loyalty program that will reward customers with the NFTs via Polygon. Back in July, Reddit announces a collectible avatar marketplace that uses NFTs hosted on the Polygon blockchain. So we are seeing that the Polygon is rising high, making partnership very good coin like VeChain, Polygon, Matic, Cardano. These are good coin after BTC, Ethereum, and BNB. Doge or Shiba coin is also good. Theta token also good. So kindly invest appropriately, and always have risk management in always in your head, and always take profit by selling your coins. Buying is less important, selling is important, otherwise how can you make profits? And the time taken to take profits is very less. So that's okay for a small discussion for today. Bye.